My name is Jay, and today I'm going to show you how to install your Halo series Novsight lights. Installation is pretty straightforward. You just want to have to grab your wire harness that comes in the box. So you're gonna get the fuse red, goes to your positive, then black goes to your negative, and these two are if you want to use your white DRLs or amber DRLs, maybe with your turn signals, or maybe to your headlights. So you got that extra option for when you turn on those features. Now it also has these the switch panel, or their little switch that controls the lights. And it's very easy, very handy, very well made. This is made out of metal. These two buttons will glow, and that's it. Let's go with the installation. Installation is pretty easy. Let's grab your negative and your positive, and let's just put it in your battery, like so. Red, positive. Black to ground or negative. I prefer doing it on the negative pole since the battery is right here and I have enough wire. So I just do it to the negative pole. And then, like I say, if you decide to go with these, then put it on your turn signal or you put it on your DRLs in the front. I decided not to go with these settings because I have another plans for them. So you will see how they're lighting up. That's because I went a different route. Now your module, you're gonna have to make sure you put this somewhere that is secure. I can show you. I put these two right here. I secure them with zip ties. And also make sure that when you put it, this wire is still long enough, which is long enough. This will be for your switch that goes inside your vehicle. Just plugs in here, like so. Then you secure it with these threads or this knot, so it's watertight and it won't disconnect. For your amber lights, your white lights, you turn them off, and then on this button it will be your main light. So that's it for the wiring. And now let me show you how you mount them, plug them in, and see how they perform at night. Check this out. As far as the mounting, Novsight gives you the brackets, gives you all these bolts and the hardware. They even give you the Allen tool and the Allen key. So you can just mount them on whatever bracket you choose. And your Jeep can always look like this. Here we can explore the modes that these lights have. We can see my pod lights right here. I have my flood and my spotlights together. But look at them, look how bright they are. Now look on my light bar. These are so nice. Now we have all lights on, and one of the coolest features of these lights is the DRLs, which you can turn them on any time of the day, and they are so nice. So Novsight, very good job, very good quality.
Now at night we can see all these lumens at work. Shining through the night, there is Novsight. Just look at that beam. Look at the light bar in action. Yes, and these are my ditch lights. These lights are so bright, you have no idea. Driving in action on the trails. Playing a Now You See Me game with the nature. Definitely make a difference when you're trailing at night. And for all you overlanders,
Okay guys, let's talk about lights. Look at these lights. Novsight is your light, is my light preference. It should be your light preference, and nothing's brighter than them.